told me when I go back. अब ठीक है? अब हेलो came हेलो अभी ठीक है? ओके एक्चुअली माइक से बोलने की आदत नहीं है इसलिए ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. माइक बोल रहा है कि आप माइक से मत बोलो, बट स्ट्रेंथ इतनी ज़्यादा है कि बोलने में मेरी आवाज़ वहाँ तक पहुँचेगी नहीं. Nevertheless, when I came here, Father told me that I have to motivate, give an inspirational speech, motivational speech to the students today on the occasion Veer Gatha Divas. And when I was sitting on the chair there, watching all the programs, all the events, मुझे लगा कि अब मैं इनको क्या मोटिवेट करूँगा. ये तो बच्चे ऑलरेडी इतने मोटिवेटेड हैं, isn't it? Similarly, the students who are sitting on the chair today or on the watching the program, they were themselves motivating the program students who were here. So this kind of atmosphere in the school is itself very positive to see that we are getting that kind of support, that kind of channelizing, that kind of view we are getting in the school itself, which is required by our nation today. We are giving time to our heroes, our war heroes. We are giving them that respect. We are honoring their families. That is what a soldier wants. Because once he is on that border, he is on the front line, he is fighting for the nation, he has one belief. उसको सिर्फ एक भरोसा होता है कि मेरे बाद भी मेरे परिवार का कोई ना कोई ख्याल रखेगा, मेरे बाद भी मेरे बच्चों का कोई ना कोई ख्याल रखेगा. आपने वो ड्रामा देखा जो डांस एंड ड्रामा था? इट वॉज वेरी वेल पोर्ट्रेड दैट अ सोल्जर नेवर थिंक्स अबाउट व्हाट विल हैपन बिहाइंड. ही इज ऑलवेज लुकिंग अहेड. देयर इज नो वन टू मोटिवेट हिम देयर. But his only motivation is his comrades, his brothers and sisters from his country who he has the belief will look after his family after he is gone. All of that has been very well portrayed today by the programs, and I am thankful to the school authorities that they come up with such programs for motivating the students. But let me tell you that this does not come with one day motivation. Joining defense forces, being there on the border will not happen in a day. By seeing one program, by seeing someone perform that activity, it will not happen. It will happen with the changes that you make in your life. ये तब होगा जब आप अपनी लाइफ में पॉजिटिव चेंजेस लाएंगे. ये तब होगा जब आप ये सोच लेंगे कि कैसे आपने अपने आप को एक डिसिप्लिन लाइफ में लाना है. बिकॉज माई फ्रेंड्स, माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू दैट आर्मी और डिफेंस फोर्सेज इज नॉट जस्ट अ करियर. इट इज नॉट जस्ट वन जॉब. इट इज नॉट वन प्रोफेशन. वॉट इज आर्मी? वॉट इज डिफेंस? इट इज अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. वॉट इज इट? It is a way of life. And how do you live that way of life? How do you live that way of life? When you make changes in your life on day-to-day basis. When you do what is right. हम सबको पता है हमेशा दो रास्ते होते हैं, एक सही और दूसरा कौन सा होता है? आसान. गलत नहीं होता है, आसान होता है. एक सही रास्ता होता है और एक आसान रास्ता होता है, और हम जनरली आसान रास्ते को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. कभी कभी वो आसान रास्ता गलत भी हो जाता है, तो हमने हमेशा कौन सा रास्ता इस्तेमाल करना है? हमने सही रास्ता इस्तेमाल करना है. अब सही रास्ता कैसे इस्तेमाल करें? हम तो बहुत छोटे हैं, हम तो छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं अभी. हम सही रास्ता इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हम घर में अपने पापा मम्मी की बात मानते हैं. हम सुबह टाइम से उठते हैं, अपने आप ब्रश करने जाते हैं, अपना बिस्तर अपने आप से बनाते हैं. मम्मी की हेल्प करते हैं सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट बनने में, ना कि हम मम्मी से बोलें कि पेट दर्द हो रहा है, स्कूल नहीं जाना है आज। ये कौन सा रास्ता है? आसान रास्ता है, लेकिन हमने सही रास्ता चुनना है। हमने सुबह उठना है, मम्मी की हेल्प करनी है, पापा की हेल्प करनी है, अपने स्कूल जाने के लिए खुद से तैयार होना है। ये छोटी छोटी चीजें अगर हम करेंगे तो हम अपने आप सही रास्ते पे चलेंगे। अपनी लाइफ में एक पॉजिटिव चेंज लाना है। स्कूल आना है, टीचर्स को हम तंग करते हैं। कौन कौन टीचर्स को तंग करता है? हाथ खड़ा करो। वेरी गुड, देयर इज वन ऑनेस्ट बॉय। और कौन कौन तंग करता है टीचर्स को? वेरी गुड, गुड। सब तंग करते हैं, हाथ खड़ा करो। हमने भी तंग करा है, सब तंग करते हैं। वेरी गुड। बट टीचर्स को तंग होने में परेशानी नहीं होती। टीचर्स को परेशानी होती है, ओके हैंड्स डाउन, हैंड्स डाउन। टीचर्स को परेशानी कब होती है? जब हम उनकी सही बात नहीं मानते हैं। ऑल द टीचर्स हियर, लुक टू योर राइट, लुक टू योर लेफ्ट। All the teachers here are giving their 100% to make a better tomorrow. For whom? For you. Exactly. So you have to help them. You have to help them like you help your parents in this house in making a better tomorrow for you. They are putting their efforts for you. So when they tell you to do something as for your subject, for your cultural program, for your activities in the school, it is for your benefit. And when you do all this, it is the right way. It is the कौन सा रास्ता है? वो सही रास्ता है। अब सही रास्ता चाहे घर में हो, स्कूल में हो, डिफिकल्ट होता है, मुश्किल होता है, होता है नहीं होता है। बट किसी फौजी के लिए कभी भी कोई रास्ता आसान नहीं होता है। वी आर ऑल अ सोल्जर इन इट्स ओन राइट। सम ऑफ द सोल्जर्स आर फाइटिंग इट आउट, आर गार्डिंग द बॉर्डर्स, एंड सम ऑफ द सोल्जर्स आर हियर बिटवीन अस, विद इन अस, बिल्डिंग अ बेटर फ्यूचर फॉर द कंट्री। एंड हु आर दी सोल्जर्स? Who are these soldiers? You all are the soldiers. You are the soldiers who are fighting to make this country a better country for a brighter future. And who are mentoring this future are your teachers who are sitting on your right, on your left. I was a student like you, and I am very thankful to my teachers, to my parents, that they groomed me in a manner that I was able to join the defense forces and serve the country for 11 years. There are some pictures I have. I would have liked to dwell upon them more, but the issue is कि हमारे पास उतना टाइम नहीं है कि हम उसको उतना डिटेल में स्टडी करें. I have some stories with me, which are my own stories from the school. I have, like you, I was a student in Beersheba Haldwani. From there, I studied and I went, did my BTech, and after that I joined the Officers Training Academy at Chennai. Next please. Down the memory lane. I joined the Officers Training Academy, and let me tell you, it was not easy there. The route that we took was always difficult. It is always more demanding if you want to do well in your life, if you want to have success in your life. The photographs that will follow, can we have the next photo? Next. The photographs that you see are from Officers Training Academy. I have my course-mates there. We were made to live in such tents during our training days. We had to make our own food. We had to prepare our own food. There was no bedding. It was all my friends with me, my course-mates with me. And like you, we were not from same school. There were everyone coming from different parts of the country, so we did not know each other. We had our instructors with us, like you have your teachers, we have our instructors with us. So how were we able to complete this training? When we had a time of 1 year only. In school you stay with your friends for 12 years. From you come in class 4th, 5th, you study till class 12th together. But we were there only together for only 1 year with few instructors and my course mates. How were we able to do that? Because we had a common goal. We knew that we had to listen to our teachers, our instructors, and go as per their instructions. Let me tell you, living in areas like this is not easy when you have no facilities with you. But you can do it. There is nothing, everything in Forge we are taught one thing, that everything is in the mind. Everything is in the yes. So if you make up your mind that I have to perform this task, I have to do well, I have to play my games well, I have to study well, you can succeed in whatever you plan. After my training days, I got posted to one of the place called, these are more photographs of my training days, my senior term. You can see the physical activities going on, and same teammates, same course mates that I had, we were able to clear all of them. Next photograph. Do you see the photograph? Can you see something other than white? Most of it is white, right? So all of you must have heard of the place called Dras.